Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you a Tandy RadioShack TRS-80 Trash 80 Color Computer 2. It's an old gaming console. Also runs BASIC, I believe. Right now I got Math Bingo in it. I got a couple other games, but I like educational games. So I have it going out composite out of the jack to switcher for Sega. Let's fire it up. Let's see. We can go math. 1 or 2 players. I'm going to do 1 player. Let's do speed math. Let's see. Oh, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Not sure what I'm supposed to do now. Oh, is that divide? Oh, that's 3. And delete. Clear. I don't know what to do. Alright, I decided math wasn't that fun, so I actually switched to Megabug. Put that in there. I wish I had 2 more hands. So I got the joysticks hooked up, and we're gonna hit the power. Now they say you can play it with the space bar and the keyboard, you don't need the joystick, so we'll try that first. Yeah, okay, okay, come on, Cucaracha, I get it. Alright, go down, way up, then left, then down. It's hard to do with one hand, then up. Alright, let's do the joystick, it'll be much easier. And we'll go. Oh, apparently, once you hit the space bar, it doesn't read the joystick ports anymore. So let's just hit the reset button. Sorry, you have to hit a cucaracha one more time. Oh god, let's push the button on the joystick. There we go. Oh god. Okay. Alright, yep. Okay. There we go. Ah, it's Pac-Man coming to sue me! Oh shit, move out of the way. Oh! Gotcha! Jesus! Okay, let's try that again. The button again. Oh no. Alright. I'm gonna purposely go find that bug, I think. Where is he? It's up there. How do I get there? Up, up, up. We gotcha! We gotcha, apparently. That's what it says. Well, this game's boring. Alright, here we have Galactic Attack. The contacts look a little worse for wear. We're gonna try it anyway. There we go. Put some contact cleaner on it. Seems taking care of it. That's the fire button to begin. Will do. Okay, apparently the fire button isn't the button on the joystick. Spacebar? No. Shift, enter. Oh, it's one of those. Enter. Shoot. I think I figured it out. Joystick has to be on the right. Joystick has to be on the left. Oh, I got the tilt buttons here all messed up. I apologize for that sound. Really, the developer should apologize for that sound, but alright, I think I got them centered. So, no, hopefully my joystick doesn't move by itself. Nope. Hey, I got it. This is really hard to play. Alright, the trick is, it looks like your little guy here. If you let go of the joystick, he always returns to the center. So if I go left, he wants to go back right. If I go right, he comes back left. And I shoot this guy. Okay. It's definitely unique playing it on a console instead of an emulator, but... that noise. Okay. Oh, that was weird. Got him. Alright, that's enough of that. This game, I kid you not, is called Clowns and Balloons. Might be the creepiest game I've ever seen. Oh my god. I must say it's really confusing because I just had to plug this into the left joystick port to make it work. I got one little pirate left. Alright. It also likes to return to center. I guess that's probably by design, huh? Oh, that's bull. Okay, start over. Yep. Okay. Climb. Sorry for the shaky video. I still have not invested in a camera tripod mount. This is clearly... I don't know if other games copy these Tandy games or if Tandy copied the games, but this is totally Breakout. Come on. I need to make him jump higher. Got it. Alright, that's enough of that. My arm's tired. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I just wanted to give you a quick pictorial overview of all the components in this system. All the connectors. Just for the white balance makes it look dirtier than it is, but so there you have it, a little piece of history. Thanks for watching.